President Trump says America needs Greenland now. These builds defy minus 60 degrees Celsius ice.
The president knows the value.
The Thule Space Base, America's northernmost outpost, now upgraded to monitor the entire Arctic sky and sea.
Runway cleared first, 2 miles long, prepped for heavy jets in year-round operations.
New LEDs installed. Pierce polar darkness and fog for safe landings anytime.
These LEDs sealed tight against minus 60 degrees Celsius cold.
Calibrated to guide aircraft perfectly.
Runway operations now functional in total darkness.
Heavy cargo jets now land safely around the clock.
Every landing monitored with precision technology.
River bridge next current. Beams flex with permafrost shifts for stable crossings. Heated mix poured quickly, sets before freeze. Thermal piles chill ground below. Foundations stay rock solid. No sinking as climate changes.
This crossing will serve military operations for decades.
30-meter steel skeleton, drilled to bedrock anchors against 100-mile-per-hour Arctic winds.
High-frequency drills reach 30 meters plus deep. Vibration stops hole collapse in frozen soil. Rig conquers shifting ice and snow. Solid base for towers that last decades.
Foundation array ready for radar installation.
Every foundation tested before construction continues. It's the first piece of an eye that will track threats over the poles. A reinforced dome inflates over the radar. Tough enough to shed ice, but thin enough to let signals pass through. This dome inflates in just hours, creating a perfect sealed environment.
24/7 scanning, no matter the weather.
Radar goes live, scanning the Arctic sky. America's Arctic Eyes, now operational. A buried power plant is the base's lifeline.
Housing generators that can run everything if the main grid ever fails.
This underground powerhouse can deliver enough energy for a small city.
All through specially protected frozen lines.
Backup systems tested and ready for any emergency.
Deep below the ice, the brain of the system activates.
Linking these new radars to a nationwide defense network.
There are full backups for everything.
If one radar system fails, the view switches to a secondary one instantly.
Even in the worst storms, our eyes on the Arctic stay open. A powerful icebreaker is deployed. Its reinforced hull smashing through multi-year ice to keep the port open. This hull is built like a tank. Absorbs huge impacts, keeping our supply ships moving through dangerous waters.
Year-round access now possible.
Supply lines secured in Earth's harshest environment.
The LEDs fire up for the first time.
Cutting through the dense fog to guide critical cargo planes.
New barracks snap together using modular super-insulated panels. These heated living modules are engineered for total isolation, supporting hundreds of personnel through the dark winter.
The new radar begins its 360-degree sweep.
Scanning the strategic GIUK gap for any potential northern threats.
This eye can track launches from thousands of miles away.
Communication cables trenched 10 meters deep into the permafrost, insulating them against freeze-thaw damage. Burying the cables this deep keeps them just warm enough to prevent breaks.
Phase 1 of the upgrade is complete.
These thermal piles run non-stop, actively freezing the soil. A torrent of data flows in real time to command centers.
The fortress of Thule is now unbreakable.
But the real treasures, hidden below the ice, are what come next. Beneath 2 miles of ice lies 1.5 million tons of rare earths, the elements that power our modern world.
This is human ingenuity versus the coldest place on Earth.